Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete a Wix website and start over. First thing first, go to wix.com and log into your account. Open your dashboard for the website you want to delete. On the site dashboard, click Site Actions and select Move to Trash. A confirmation dialog will appear, just click Move to Trash, and your site is now deactivated and sent to the trash folder. Wix keeps it there for 90 days, and during this period, you can restore it with any time. Now, if you want to permanently remove it, return to the main account dashboard and click Site Actions again. Select Remove Site and confirm deletion. Once you do this site is permanently deleted and cannot be restored. If you just want to take your site offline without deleting it permanently, you can unpublish it instead. Go to your site dashboard, Settings, Site Availability, then toggle Unpublish. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.